Morning everyone. Hello students. You know that this chapter I started in live classes, right? So we took 2 periods, still we have not completed that much, okay? So today I want to finish this chapter, so everybody just focus and properly pay attention. So let me just go ahead. We have come up to here. See, this para in both the classes, in both the live classes we have come. Let me start. See, now when Mr. Harriot was telling to Mrs. Pumphrey that don't give this much food to him, otherwise he will be ill. But she was not listening. So let's see now what happened. See, the expected call came within a few days, right? I just started this and then period ended, right, in live classes. So when Mr. Harriot was expecting, same way Mrs. Pumphrey thought that let me call Mr. Harriot, he will only help me. What happened to Tricky? So Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. As I told you, distraught means sad, right? So she was distraught, she was very sad. Tricky would eat nothing. See, in a previously paragraphs you have seen he was eating chocolates and so many things, right? Cakes and so on. So now he is not eating anything, right? He eat nothing means he is not eating anything. Refuse even his favorite dishes. See, even favorite dishes of him also he was refusing, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. See, he was not eating and then he was vomiting, and vomiting means he was very ill, right? He spent all his time lying on a rug. Rug means carpet. Rug means carpet. So he was lying on a rug only, panting. See, panting means what? He was lying on a carpet and he was breathing. You know, dogs, have you seen salivation, as I told you, right? So he was breathing only like that, and he was just lying on a rug and didn't want to go for a walk. Even he didn't want to go for a walk, right? Didn't want to do anything. Previously he was doing so many things. Now he didn't like to eat even. He didn't like to go for walk or anything he didn't like to do. I had made my plans in advance. See, Dr. Harriot knew that for sure this call will come. So he had made a plan in advance. If call will come, what he will do, right? So the only way was to get Ricky out of the house for a period. One time dog has to come out from that particular house with Mrs. Pumphrey that he was living. So he should come out from that house. That is the remedy we can say, right? So let's see. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. See, Dr. Harriot suggested to Mrs. Pumphrey that he should be hospitalized at least for fortnight. Fortnight means 15 days, right? So at least for 15 days he should be hospitalized, and I will take care and he will be under my observation, right? So you can send him under my observation and I will do whatever I will like to cure him, right? Who said? Dr. Harriot to Mrs. Pumphrey. Now see next. The poor lady almost swooned. Swoon means faint, right? Swoon means faint. She became unconscious. She became somewhat faint. She was sure he would pine. What is the meaning of pine? Miss. She was sure that I will miss. I would pine and die. I will die without him. How can I live without him 15 days, right? If he did not see her every day. If I will not see my Tricky every day, I would pine him, I would miss him, I would die without looking at him. How can I survive without him for 15 days, right? But I took a farm line, but I decided Tricky was very ill and was the only way to save him. Then she decided, though I cannot live without him, but I have to do it because I don't have any other option, right? That's why. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay and see next, followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. See, followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings means wailings means cry. Though Mrs. Pumphrey will cry of whatever reason, if you want to save Tricky, you have to send him with me under observation, otherwise he cannot be saved. Right? So Mrs. Pumphrey started crying. Wailings means crying. Let's see. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. See how she is curious about that Tricky, right? She came and covering with blanket that dog like a small baby. He is ill, right? He is ill. The entire staff was roused. See, you know she was very rich in this story shown. So all the members, all the workers of that house roused means started working. Roused means started working. And maids rushed in and out bringing his day bed. See, he was going, but all the workers started coming to give doctor in this car not only day bed, night bed, day bed, cushions, toys, rubber rings. See, small baby can have such kind of things, but have you heard any dog can have all the things like this, right? In reality, 99% not possible. Okay, so all the workers came with such things, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl, right? And realizing that my car would never hold off all the stuff. See, what Dr. Harriot realized? How is it that possible? Dog is coming with me to be hospitalized. How can I take all the stuffs like this, breakfast bowl, cushions and all? How can I take in my car? So he was feeling somewhat strange, right? What is going on? I started to drive away. After taking all the things, he started driving. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey with her desperating cry. When he just moved off backside, Mrs. Pumphrey was crying like a baby. Right? Desperating cry means crying like a baby too much loudly. Threw in an armful on the little course through the window. Right? Through the window means she was just thinking now, when Tricky will come back, how can I live without him? I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. See, when Dr. Harriot started driving, when he looked in the mirror, not only Mrs. Pumphrey, but all the workers started crying. Tears were there in their eyes. So see the attachment with the dog. All were crying, though dog was going only for 15 days for his recovery. Still, they were crying. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. See, dog was feeling also strange because he was pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. So he was also feeling somewhat strange, right? Where is my mistress and where I am going? He was also feeling strange. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. See, Dr. Harriot just patted and Tricky also gave response and he also moved his tail. To wag means to move his tail. Poor old lady, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know I cure for you. See, Dr. Harriot was telling to Tricky that the lady was thinking too much about you, but no problem, I know how can I cure you. As a doctor, I am a veterinarian doctor, so I know how can I cure you. So don't worry, I will definitely cure you for sure. Okay. See, at the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. See, now as soon as Dr. Harriot reached to the hospital, surgery was started, not like that we can see exactly in movies, right? Surgery in the sense, so many dogs came across to that Tricky and Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes. See, obviously he was ill. You know, when we are healthy, our body expression will be different, and when we are weak, you know, eyes and face, and through face only one can come to know that somebody is ill, right? So, his eyes were dull. When put down, lay motionless on the carpet. He lay down on the carpet because he was now in the hospital. Then the other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, see, other dogs were just finding him and looking at him, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignore him. See, all the dogs were thinking he is different. Animals can think like that, like human beings, jealousy and all. Mostly not. Okay. So other dogs were coming and they were ignoring him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dog slept. See, what doctor thought? He was thinking something else. He thought that let me make his bed with the other dogs so he can live with them, he can look at them. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him. See, Dr. Harrier said that for 2 days I was looking at him, I was observing him, giving him no food but plenty of water. See, 2 days Dr. Harrier didn't give him a food, right? Single food he didn't give, only he gave plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. See, till 2 days he was drinking only water, he was not showing interest like other dogs, but at the end of the second day, he started showing some interest like other dogs, and on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. See, third day when he heard a dog's voice, he also thought that let me go and let me go in the yard to eat where their bowls are put of the eating. When I opened the door, Dr. Harriet opened the door, Tricky totted out. See, totted means ran out. Totted means ran out. So when Dr. Harriet opened the door, Tricky ran out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Here Joe means another dog name. Joe means another dog name. And engulf means surrounded by. Engulf means surrounded by, right? So immediately Tricky was surrounded by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends, other dogs, right? When he opened the door, he came just across so many friends of him. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, see, all the dogs were now not ignoring him. Like of friends, they were just inspecting him. The dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. See, he was fat. Now he is not thin. He is fat only, but now he knew how to live properly, not that much food, more than enough. We should not eat food. Dog Tricky has understood, right? Later that day, I was present at feeding time. Now see the doctor technique. Without a single medicine, he has cured him. Single medicine he has not used, right? So for 2 days, he was with dogs. He was allowed to drink only water, not food. Third day, he was showing interest for eating food. And then, let's see, next day, I was present. Dr. Harriet was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls, right? Into the bowls, he was drinking. He was eating the food like other dogs. There was the unusual headlock rush followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Now he was eating like other dogs in a very speedy way, right? That he was eating. Previously, he started eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. See, Like human beings, they also have competition. Who will eat first? Who will lick all the food first? So all the bowls were empty because all had a competition and all were licking the food, all were eating the food. Even Tricky also is habituated like other dogs. You can see in this picture. You can see in this picture how dogs are running and Tricky even also running with them to eat food. Let's see next in the next para what we have just come. See in the next para. Now see, my dear students, I am going somewhat fast because in SR we cannot take nowadays because you are at home. If in school we can take 2-3 days, but here at least 4 or 5 days it takes. That's why it's better let me complete today because only story and question answer will be asked. That's why. Okay. So see next para. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Now see, not only Tricky, all the dogs, they all gathered together and they started licking and completing the bowls like the competition, and next day an extra bowl was put. See, previously bowl of the Tricky was not put because Dr. Harriet wants to know that is he excited, is he just interested in taking foods. His spout was not put, but suddenly next day when doctor found that he is interested, so his bowl was put differently, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Now Dr. Harriet is happy to see that he is also interested like other dogs in eating and he is cured, right? So see next para. From then on, his progress was rapid. Slowly and gradually, he was trying to cure him. He was taking interest like other dogs, and he had no medicinal treatment of any kind of, but all day he ran about with his dogs. See, single medicines he didn't take or given by Dr. Harriet, and he is just improving, right, like other dogs. So he was running with other dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. See, he was going in a team, in a group, he was enjoying. He discovered the joys of being bowled over. See, up to now he was too much pampered by Mrs. Pomfrey. Now, like other dogs, he is living, he is enjoying going in a group, licking the food, eating the food, and tramped on and scratched every few minutes. See, each and every few minutes he was enjoying, he was feeling strange because now he is free. Whatever he wants to do, he can, right? So, see next. He became an expected member of the gang. See, all the dogs were there. It was like a gang. So he was thinking, I am an expected member of this gang and I am feeling nice, right? Tricky was thinking, I am feeling nice, and scratched every few minutes. An unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times. See, he was fighting for meal at the meal times like a tiger, right? Previously he stopped eating. Now he is fighting for the meal at the time of meal like a tiger, right? Then see, and hunting rats. See, you know, maybe you have heard dogs can hunt rats, right, whenever they see. So he was hunting rats, he was fighting for the meal at the meal time and in the old hen house at night. See, there is one particular house. In that house he was just hunting the rats and he was eating. He had never had such a time in his life. From birth or from beginning of his life, he was living with Mrs. Pomfrey, so he was pampered. He was pampered too much, and because of that, he had not seen such kind of life that all the dogs have, right? So he had never had such a time in his life. Up to now, he has not seen, he has not observed such kind of life, right? He was feeling excited, he was feeling strange. All the while, Mrs. Pomfrey hovered anxiously. See, Mrs. Pomfrey was moving very fast in the background while looking at, see, we have next para, same. So, we will start from here. In the background, Mrs. Pomfrey was moving in the background, ringing a dozen of times a day for the latest bulletins. Now, here, bulletins means news. What is the meaning of bulletins? News. So, she wants to know that my dog is recovered or not. I dodged the questions. She asked so many questions. How is my dog? Is he recovered or not? Is he interested in taking foods or not? Asking different questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat. See, she was asking about coats, his costumes, his cushions, about his bed. She was asking like that. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means recovering. See, Dr. Harrier said that he didn't use anything, right, that you have given for him. But let me tell you, he is out of danger and he is recovering very fast. He is recovering very fast. The word convalescing seemed to do something. Convalescing means recovering. So, Mrs. Pomfrey, she started to bring round fresh eggs. See, my dear students, as soon as she came to know my dog is trying to be recovered, she brought eggs. She sent eggs 2 dozen at a time. Same time means at one time 2 dozens eggs, right, for Tricky. Means still she is not improving. Dog is improving, but still the behavior of Mrs. Pomfrey is not improving. So, 2 dozen eggs to build up Tricky's strength. Maybe she is thinking my dog is weak, like a child she is behaving. So, let me send. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. See, though she sent, but Dr. Harriet was not giving to Tricky, they were eating. Dr. Harriet, even the partners of Dr. Harriet, they were eating 2 eggs instead of giving to Tricky. But when bottles of wine began to arrive, see how curious Mrs. Pomfrey, not only eggs, she started sending wine, the bottle of wine. Then the real possibilities of the solution began to dawn on the household. Then doctor easily came to know if Tricky is hospitalized and sending such kind of food, then how she will be giving to him at home, right? But see, still Dr. Harriet didn't give even wine to Tricky. What they did with that wine? It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion. See, ceremonial means ritual. What is the meaning of ceremonial? Ritual. So, they thought that let's take lunch and let's take glass of wine. So, we can have a ceremonial occasion, we can have a ritual occasion. See next, we could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. See, how can one person give a wine to dog, right? So, Dr. Harriet decided that I have to tell Mrs. Pomfrey strictly such kind of food or such kind of things you cannot give to Tricky, right, a dog. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled round, inhaled and reverently drunk. See, whatever things given by Mrs. Pomfrey was not given to Tricky, it was drunk by partners of Dr. Harriet and it was eaten by doctor and the partners of doctors. They were days too of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning. See, now they started eating extra because Mrs. Pomfrey gave for the dog. So they were eating, improved and sustained by the midday wine and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. See, they had a nice day because they were having brandy, they were having eggs in a breakfast, so they were feeling nice. Doctor, even the workers. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. See the Dr. Harriet and other workers, what they were thinking, that now we are having a temptation that let's keep Tricky over here as a permanent guest, so we can have such kind of thing daily as Mrs. Pumphrey is standing right for him, so we can eat. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, see, you know that when Tricky came from that house with Dr. Harriet, she was literally crying like a small baby. So I knew that she will come after a fortnight as I have given time, and felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. See, Dr. Dr. Harriet called to Mrs. Pumphrey that your dog is recovered and you can come and you can take him with you, right? Miss Dr. Harriet called to her. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. See, within a minute, Mrs. Pumphrey thought that now I should go to meet him. Let me just go. I cannot wait a minute. The chauffeur opened the door. Chauffeur means driver. Here chauffeur means driver. So after just call, Mrs. Pumphrey started going. The chauffeur opened the door. The driver opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. See, means she was crying literally for fortnight, for 15 days. So appearance was totally different. Dr. Harriet can see. Then her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. See, like that, when you are nervous and when something is going on in your mind, your body language will be different, right? So she was the same, and oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is it really better? See, Mrs. Pumphrey still not believing that. Tell me the truth. Is it right that my dog is recovered? Are you telling me that only? Yes, he is fine. Dr. Harriet said, yes, now he is out of danger. There is no need for you to get out of the car. See, you are a rich lady, so it's better you sit in your car. Don't come out from your car. I will catch him and I will fetch him, right? I will catch and fetch him and I will give it to you. You don't come out from your car. See, next para. I walked through the house into the garden. I walked through the house into the garden. Dr. Harriet and that particular dog, they both went over there into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round. See, hurtling round and round, the lone in their midst, ears flapping. See, tail waving. Means dog was literally now happy that he is going to Mrs. Pumphrey, because he also loves to that Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of the dog. Was little golden figure of Tricky. See, Tricky is literally turned into different way. Now he is excited. Why? Because he has seen such life also that he has never seen before. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a Lethe. See, he is totally different now that previously he was. That he has seen a different life, hard muscle animal. Now he is not weak. He is hard muscle animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in the great bounds, his chest almost bursting the ground. See, he was totally different. His figure, his body language, everything was totally different. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door. See, driver was still opening the door, and Tricky saw his mistress. See, as soon as Tricky saw his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he took off from my arms in the tremendous leap. See, you know that dogs are also, they love their owners, right? So as soon as dog Tricky saw Mrs. Pumphrey, he just jumped on the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and he became very happy and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. He just sailed into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as she swarmed over her. See, she was also feeling very happy. Even Tricky was also feeling happy. But now Tricky is totally different, overturned. His muscles are strong and he is like other dogs. He is not pampered right now, right? Totally different. Then licking her face and barking. You know that dogs have a habit of licking, right? If they love their owners, so they start licking, even barking. Not in a different way, but barking means calling them in a lovable manner, right? So during the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions. See how many things that Mrs. Pumphrey gave to that doctor. But let me tell you, Mrs. Pumphrey didn't come to know exactly that Mr. Harriot has not used anything. One time doctor informed him that I am not going to use. But after that Dr. Harriot applied another technique. He didn't give any single medicine to him. So he didn't use toys, cushions, coats, bowls, none of which had been used, right? Doctor didn't inform. Maybe Mrs. Pumphrey will be sad or angry. It's better not to say to her, right? As the car moved away, obviously she was happy, Tricky was happy. So as the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Lean. She leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes. When she leaned out of the window, tears were there in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Right? Maybe saying thank you or not able to speak because she was happy and tears there in her eyes. Maybe just not able to gratitude to Mr. Harriot, right? Oh, Mr. Harriot, she cried. She was going and the window was open and tears were there in her eyes and she was crying. Oh, Mr. Harriot, how can I ever thank you? How can I ever thank you? This is a trump of surgery. See, here the chapter title, and there is a question also that why Mrs. Pumphrey says that this is the trump of surgery of Tricky, right? So this is not a surgery simple, this is a triumph of surgery, I believe, and she was happy, right? So my dear students, this is a story because SR textbook only question answer will be asked from stories, but from main textbook so many things will be asked, right? So that's why I somewhat go fast because SR textbook only question answer will be asked. We will focus in main textbook and poems. This is for only story plus question answer. I hope you have understood the story that the main three characters, Mrs. Pumphrey, Dr. Harriot and Tricky the dog, how Dr. Harriot treated to that Tricky like other dogs without giving a single medicine, and how Mrs. Pumphrey was behaving at the day time and night time when she was giving extra food. Now she is coming back. So let's see what happened. That is she giving? This is a, we can say, climax. You should think that is this story real or not, right? Whatever. Now previously we have completed all the question answer of this chapter. So I have given some another exercise as a worksheet like paragraph based or something, right? So whichever given you should write in notebook and you should send me in homework group, right? Thank you.